Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. In case you are new here on my channel, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. And also don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest for all the updates. So in today's video, we'll learn how to work this kind of design using gold beads. It looks really trendy and it's something different when compared to the regular arches. So it's extremely easy to work and the complete sari gets done in less than 90 minutes. So if along with tying the tassel, it might take anywhere around 2 hours in total. So do give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you like it. For today's design, I am using 6 strands of silk thread along with my regular crochet hook number 10 and these kind of gold beads. You can use any size gold beads you want. Instead of gold beads, you can also use crystals or pearls. So first of all, I'm going to fix the knot in the corner here and then work a block of 4 chains. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. This gap is to add a tassel or a silk thread bunch. I'm going to fix it by working a single crochet. After this, I'll work 1 chain and 1 single crochet. Again, 1 chain and 1 single crochet. So I've done that 2 times. In total, I have 3 single crochets here on the fabric. Now at this point, we'll start adding our beads. I'm going to add 5 beads. If you are using little smaller beads, then you can add up to 6 beads. So 2 and 3. So after adding 5 beads, make sure you have you have it a little loose. Don't pull it too tight, otherwise the beads will stay very stiff. So give it proper easiness and then I'm going to pull a loop from this stitch here. So pull a loop and pass the same loop through this one. So usually in crochet terms, we call this as a slip stitch. After that, I'm going to work 4 chains, and while you're working 4 chains, make sure to hold the beads. 4 chains and fix this in between the first 2 beads using a single crochet. We'll repeat again. 4 chains and single crochet. So I've worked 4 chains 4 times. In case if you are using smaller or bigger size beads, then the number of chains might vary. So this is how it looks as of now. I have 5 beads, but I have worked only 4 loops of 4 chains. Now I'm just going to fix this using a single crochet so that the ring, whatever the ring is formed, that sits straight. So you can just check the distance here in between these 2 single crochets, and at the same distance you can fix it by working a single crochet here. So once that is done, we'll again follow the same process. So I'll work 1 chain and 1 single crochet, 1 chain and 1 single crochet. After which we'll work 4 chains to add a tassel. So 4 chains, fix it using a single crochet again. 1 chain, single crochet, 1 chain and single crochet. So this part, what I am doing here is to make sure there is a little distance between the tassel and this part. if everything gets closer, it tends to look messier and it won't look nice. So that is the reason we are just adding these to have some distance between the tassel and the beads. So now it's exactly the same process, there is no change at all. We'll push 5 beads. So if you have crystals in 2 different colors, and if your sari is colorful, you can use 2 different colors. You can alternate colors of the crystals. Say for example, this one you can use pink crystals and work using green thread, and after doing a set of 5, you can trim off the thread and then use the other way around. So you can do such variations if you are using crystals. So again, I'm going to pull a loop by inserting my hook in the stitch. Passing the same loop through this one. Then I will continue with 4 chains and single crochet. If you want, you can just continue the entire thing in just one color, but if you change colors, it will look more interesting. If you want, you can only change the color of the thread or use different colored crystals like already mentioned. So it's a very easy and interesting design. Even if you have just started doing crochet, you guys can easily try. So after 4 loops, I'm going to fix it using a single crochet. So this is how it looks. So in this loop of 4 chains, we'll add tassels, and then that completes the design. So this is the final look, and like already mentioned, you can use any beads of your choice in any size. So if you want it to be more colorful, you can change the color after every 3 or 4 rings like this, or continue in single color. So do give it a try, and if you happen to try this design, don't forget to share it in our Facebook group called Crochet Club by Naughty Threads. Join the group and exchange your crochet work. I would love to see what you guys do. So that's all in today's video, but before I go, I would request you guys to check out my blog naughtythreads.net and also subscribe to my vlog channel Kanika Reddy Vlogs. That's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care. Bye bye.